Hi Smarty fiends, welcome to your channel Smarty Kid TV, where you always learn, laugh and explore new things. This classic science demo creates a massive, exploding foam toothpaste that's safe and exciting for kids. It's perfect for Max, the smart experimenter, Luna, the curious one, and Buddy the bear to try together. Let's go. How to do it, kid-friendly version. Materials for experiment: hydrogen peroxide, 6% or lower for safety, dry yeast, warm water, food coloring, dish soap, a tall bottle, tray, to catch mess, safety goggles, and gloves and supervision of an adult.
Hey science friends, I'm Max, this is Luna, and our lab buddy Buddy the bear. Today we're making elephant toothpaste, giant colorful foam that shoots up like crazy. Always wear goggles, gloves and do this with a grown-up.
Max is pouring hydrogen peroxide into bottle, Luna is adding dish soap and food coloring drops, Buddy watching closely, bottle on tray. Luna is stirring yeast and warm water in a cup, Max watching carefully, Buddy excited. Magic mix. The yeast wakes up in warm water, Max pouring yeast mixture into bottle, huge colorful foam bursting out like toothpaste, Luna cheering, Buddy jumping happily. Here it comes, wow. Foam overflowing, characters laughing, Buddy dancing, bright joyful chaos. So cool. Wow. Science time. Luna is explaining the yeast makes bubbles that push the foam up.
That's because the air is escaping, making the foam less puffy over time.
We learn awesome and explore new things under the supervision of an adult in a safe way. Smarty superstars. Always remember, safety is first. By Smarty Kids. Try more science. Thanks for watching.